Hey guys, Barry here with Epic Cycles, and in today's video we will be unboxing the all-new Nosfet Apex EUC. All right, so what do we got here? Looks like it might be a tool of some sort. Some Allen keys and some nuts. Maybe an axle nut, I'm not sure. Okay, we'll get to it later a little bit. Here's the EUC. What's this? Important maintenance little thing here. Loctite thread locker. I think that's what it was here actually. Stanchions require maintenance when dry. This will ensure the smoothest suspension travel possible. A medium viscosity will perform better than thick grease. Adjust the suspension linkage facing the wheel down, as this will reduce pressure and make it easier to adjust. Okay, so it just shows a little picture here, as you can see, of how they want you to do that maintenance for the suspension. So this wheel will require some maintenance. Time to pull the wheel out. First, we got the charger. So here's the charger. Let's take a quick peek at her. Here's the charger. So we have 151.2 volt, 5 amp charger. So that's pretty fast. Time for the big reveal. This is heavy though. Pull, pull, pull. There we go. Not that bad once you got it up here. So 85 pounds of raw machinery. I got some stuff falling. Okay, I got some actually fairings included. Usually they don't come with it, but here at Epic Cycles we will be including the fairing plates with all the Nosfet Apexes, so that's not an extra expense that you need to go through. The only thing you'll need to do is get your power pads, and as well as a seat. We're including a seat with all of our Nosfet Apexes. So here she is. Here's the wheel. Looking nice. Pedals have nice spikes on them. And look at the suspension. I love this beautiful space gray on black. Wheels looking very, very pretty. This is a 151 volt system. Has a 2700 watt hour battery. Has a free spin of 125 kilometers, but top speed while riding, I think, is about 90 kilometers. So very, very fast speeds. This one has huge suspension, 150 millimeters worth of travel, probably I think the largest one, biggest suspension travel in any EUC. And as well, of course, one of the standout features and remarkable features or unique features of the Nosfet Apex is its adjustable suspension that can travel up to the 150 millimeters, all the way down to, I think, about, in different stages, but I think it goes down to about 70 millimeters. So if you're doing some off-roading, raise her up. You're going on the street for some racing, street riding, lower her down, forget that center of gravity low. The tire, or the wheel, we got, it's a 20-inch by 3-inch, so large size. This is considered a large wheel. And sure enough, it can handle any type of terrains, bumps, jumps, whatever it may be. This is a full-size wheel. All right, so let's just recap all the main specs of the Nosfet Apex. Total weight of the machine is 85.5 pounds, has a 20 watt automatic headlight, battery cells Samsung 50S 217000, has dual charge ports, max grade is 30 degrees, does not come with power pads. Yes, it has a kickstand. Rim size is 14 inches. Tire size will be 20 inches by 3 inches. Pedal size is 11.75 inches by 5 inches. Weight limit is 300 pounds. Brake lights, yes. Charging is 4 hours at with the 5 amp charger, or 2 hours if you get a fast charger at 10 amps, which are available through third parties. The peak power of the motor is 8,000 watts. Does not come with a seat, but ours do. We have included it. Mud guards, it has one, yes, in the rear. There's no handle, and the dimensions of the wheel is 30 inches by 23 inches by 13.5 inches. So as you saw, we lowered down the suspension all the way for street racing, street riding, whatever floats your boat. You can go somewhere in between if you want, or all the way up high if you're going aggressive, off-roading, stairs, whatever it may be. But basically, you can adjust your suspension from 150 millimeters maximum height down to 55. So you got a lot of options here with the suspension. Whatever you like, whatever type of riding you're doing, this one offers that adjustability, which other EUCs do not. Easy maintenance, everything comes off very easily. Overall, it's a really great looker. It's got the Leaper Kim Lynx technology, so it's going to feel very similar to that for those of you that are used to it. You know, being told one of the best, one of the smoothest. So we're gonna put this together. I guess I'm gonna put the fairings on and take her out for a quick spin. All right, so it's going to be our first ride on the Nosfet Apex. As you can see, I'm using the third-party Beto seat/trolley as a trolley. Working out actually pretty good, pretty fine. It's not the best grip, to be honest with you, but it does the job, and the suspension is up high, so with it up high, it's pretty comfortable. Not too bad. So let's jump on her here for the first time. See how she feels. Gonna be doing a light little ride today anyways. All right. Oh yeah, she feels really smooth actually. Right away I can feel the smoothness of this. This is probably the smoothest EUC I've ever tried, to be honest with you. It feels great. Looks like a nice set of stairs across the street here. Nice easy set of stairs anyways, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna attempt this now just to feel that suspension. All right, let's check this out. Ooh, gotta watch my head. A little low here. Yeah, it feels good. So it's raining, but the wheel's an IPX6, so I guess we can handle some rain, right? The car turns nice, actually. Really smooth wheel. Controller's amazing. It feels like it's got an EBMX controller in it. Yeah, I'm getting tilt back currently at 30, so this is fresh out of the box obviously, so it just needs to be adjusted to a higher setting, maybe somewhere around 70, 80 even. This wheel does go 90 after all, so whatever you're kind of comfortable with, I suppose, is where you can set it to tilt back. Set at 30 is more for beginners, I'd say. You know, but good for somebody trying the wheel out for the first time, just to get used to, and then you crank her up. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions of the Nosfet Apex. I sure did. It's a totally awesome machine, very highly capable. The 151 volt system running 2700 watt hour batteries for approximate range of 90 kilometers. This 3200 watt motor that peaks out at 8,000 watts also will take you at speeds of 90 kilometers. IPX6 rating and the revolutionary adjustable suspension ranging up to from down as low as 55 millimeters for street racing or tight turning to 150 millimeters for extreme jumping, off-roading, trails, and everything in between. This machine has it all. It's totally awesome. You can learn more right now. Check it out on epiccycles.ca. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more content. We'll catch you on the next ride. Have an epic day or night. Peace.